weighted chin-ups. For this one, you need a dip belt, you need weight, and you need a straight bar. And a box is preferable so you can step into the grip or grab the bar with the best grip possible. So start by standing on the box. From here, you need to decide how wide you're going to have it. For some, it's more comfortable to have a little bit wider due to wrist mobility as well and shoulder mobility, or closer. All depends on you. So you need to actually try it out a bit, have a low weight, see which grip fits you the best. If you haven't done chin-ups in a very long time, I would start with a lower amount of weight before adding a lot, and then build from that. But use chalk as well, so you don't slip, because you want a really good grip. Without a good grip, the pulling power will be just not as powerful. So from here, I grab the bar like this. I get the weight between my legs, or so it doesn't swing, I stop it. From here, I step down, hang, and pull. Chin over the bar, and then down. Some of you will not be able to fully extend in the bottom position, and that's fine. If you stop here and pull, do that. Do what is more comfortable for you at the moment. Maybe with time you can work towards fully extended, but it is not fully necessary. As long as you have this position where you're active rather than this, is good. Because some of you might feel that this is too much discomfort. So practice with what is more comfortable for you. So again, grab the bar, hang from this position, you pull, and pull with your elbows close to your body, and back, so pull it behind your back or down to your pocket, chin over the bar. That's it. So let me show you a couple of reps.